Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Converting RGB to Grayscale using opencv in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. opencv, Open Source Computer Vision, is a powerful open-source library for computer vision and image processing tasks. One common image processing operation is converting a color image, RGB, to grayscale. Grayscale images are simpler to process and can be useful in various applications such as image analysis, feature extraction, and computer vision. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of converting an RGB image to grayscale using opencv in Python. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have Python and opencv installed. You can install opencv using the following command. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Step 1. Importing opencv. Start by importing the opencv library into your Python script. Step 2. Loading the RGB image. Load the RGB image using the cv2.imread function. Step 3. Converting RGB to grayscale. Use the cv2.cvtcolor function to convert the loaded RGB image to grayscale. The cv2.color_bgr2 gray argument specifies the conversion from BGR, opencv's default color order, to grayscale. Step 4. Displaying the images, optional. If you want to visualize the original RGB image and the converted grayscale image, you can use the following code to display them using the cv2.imshow function. The cv2.waitKey, 0, function waits for a keyboard event, and cv2.destroyAllWindows, closes the windows when a key is pressed. Step 5, saving the grayscale image, optional. If you want to save the resulting grayscale image, use the cv2.imwrite function. Replace path/to/save/gray_image.jpg with the desired path and file name. Conclusion. You have successfully converted an RGB image to grayscale using opencv in Python. This tutorial provides a basic introduction, and you can explore further by exploring additional image processing techniques and opencv functionalities. ChatGPT.